Looking for the perfect portable gas grill to elevate your outdoor cooking experience? In this video, we'll explore the best portable gas grill on the market, highlighting their features, performance, and portability. Whether you're planning a picnic, tailgate, or camping trip, a great portable gas grill can make all the difference. Join us as we review top models that offer convenience, durability, and excellent cooking abilities, ensuring your next outdoor meal is a delicious success. Let's fire up those grills. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future update. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. Weber Go Anywhere Gas Grill, our pick for best budget portable gas grill. If you're seeking a portable grill that's easy on your wallet and your back, the Weber Go Anywhere gas grill is a fantastic option. Known for its quality, Weber delivers all the essentials you need to whip up delicious meals wherever your adventures take you. With 160 square inches of cooking space over a single burner, this grill packs a punch with 6,500 BTUs of power, efficiently heating up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're grilling delicate fish or a perfect medium-rare steak, this grill can handle it. True to its name, the Weber Go Anywhere is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for camping trips or cooking by the water. One of its standout features is the plated steel legs that pivot up to securely lock the lid during transport. However, be mindful of the propane tank attachment, which angles downward, requiring a flat surface for setup. The placement of the control knob next to the gas tank can be a bit tricky, but the grill's portability and affordable price make it a perfect companion for outdoor cooking adventures. Enjoy the great outdoors and delicious meals with the Weber Go Anywhere. Number 4. Cuisinart Petit Gourmet CGG180, our pick for best affordable portable gas grill. The Cuisinart Petit Gourmet grill impresses with its blend of convenience and functionality, making it a great addition to your outdoor cooking adventures. We especially appreciated its lightweight design and compact profile, which not only make it easy to transport, but also offer a quick setup. With a secure lid latch and a comfortable carry handle, you can take it anywhere. When it's time to grill, the legs effortlessly pop out, providing a secure base. The thoughtful lid design prevents smoke from wafting into your face, allowing you to enjoy the grilling experience. Its porcelain enameled grate boasts a generous cooking area of 150 square inches, so you can cook up to 6 burgers or accommodate 6 to 10 chicken breasts. Perfect for family gatherings. While it may not be the most powerful grill on the market, with a 5,500 BTU burner and twist-to-start ignition, it provides consistent heat with a delicious outcome. Expect the chicken to take a bit longer, but the beautiful presentation and great taste will be worth it. Plus, the integrated telescoping base allows you to switch from tabletop to freestanding with ease. Cleanup is a breeze, as the cooking grates are dishwasher safe. Get ready to enjoy every meal with this efficient and portable grill. Still looking for the perfect portable gas grills to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Quizinart Venture Gas Grill, our pick for best value tabletop portable gas grill. If you're looking for a portable grill that's both stylish and functional, the Cuisinart Venture is a fantastic option to consider. While its chic, colorful design may remind you of a picnic basket, this grill is a powerhouse when it comes to outdoor cooking. Perfect for camping trips or tailgates, it boasts a compact size that easily fits into your adventures. One of our favorite features is the clever lid that doubles as a cutting board, plus the propane tank stores neatly at the base, ensuring that everything you need is within reach. After testing the Venture over 6 months, we became eager to use it for any outdoor occasion, from spontaneous cookouts to fun overnight hikes. We were pleasantly surprised by how quickly it preheated, taking less than a minute. Our grilled onions, burgers, and buns came out perfectly charred with those beautiful grill marks we all love. This grill is beginner-friendly, ready to use right out of the box, and is easily operated with a single dial control. However, it's worth noting that we observed during our testing that the edges of the grilling surface ran hotter than the center, likely due to airflow. Nonetheless, we still savored delicious steak and fish, with the steak having a beautifully browned crust. The Quizinart Venture truly makes grilling accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Number 2. Napoleon Travel Q Portable Gas Grill, our pick for best upgraded portable gas grill. When it comes to grilling on the go, the Napoleon Travel Q portable gas grill proves that you don't have to compromise on power or performance. Setting it up was a breeze thanks to the clear and straightforward instructions. No hiccups here. With just a simple turn of a dial, we were ready to fire it up, making it incredibly beginner-friendly. What makes the Travel Q truly special is its clever design. It rolls like a wheeled suitcase and quickly transforms into a stable stand, complete with prep tables, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. We love how user-friendly it is. You can be grilling in no time. With a generous 285 square-inch cooking surface, we comfortably grilled up to 12 burgers at once. The separate burners come with independent controls, allowing for versatile cooking. Grill burgers to perfection while toasting buns simultaneously. During our testing, we found the temperature gauge to be impressively accurate, consistently reading within 10 degrees of our thermometer. Plus, the knobs allow for easy flame control. No fuss, just great grilling. Cleanup is a breeze too thanks to the removable drip tray pan. For anyone looking to enjoy outdoor grilling with ease, we wholeheartedly recommend the Napoleon Travel Q. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Weber Q1200, our pick for best portable gas grill overall. Weber has a fantastic reputation for crafting full-sized grills, and their Spirit 2E310 stood out as our top choice for gas grills. However, we were eager to see if they could replicate that performance in a more portable design. Enter the Weber Q1200, a grill that exceeded our expectations from the start. What sets the Q1200 apart is its cast iron grilling grate, which leaves perfectly seared grill marks on burgers and steaks alike. Despite having just one burner, it delivers impressive, even heat, making it suitable for cooking for a small gathering. We were able to grill 6 burgers with ease. The Q1200 also features sturdy folding side tables that come in handy for food prep. Remember to let the grill cool before folding these tables in to prevent any melting. Safety first. While the grill is lightweight, it's wise to stow the tables when not in use to avoid any accidental tipping on breezy days. Incorporating accessories is simple with Weber. You can elevate the grill with a portable cart that has convenient wheels for mobility. Plus, they offer versatile options like a flat iron griddle that replaces the grates, a protective cover for storage, and an adapter for larger refillable tanks. With all these features, it's clear why we've named the Q1200 our best portable gas grill. It's a perfect companion for your outdoor adventures, making grilling enjoyable and hassle-free. So, that wraps up our list of the best portable gas grills. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which portable gas grills you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.